Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about the word meaning with the suffix mania, that is desire for or obsession with. How exactly this can be used, we can directly go through the given slides. As you can see here, the maiden word is, that is ablutomania, that is excessive desire for washing oneself, to clean oneself, having the excessive desire. Agromania means having the excessive desire for open spaces. He has a fear for the enclosed space. Next, we have Anglomania, who has excessive desire with the England and the English. Anthomania is obsession with the flowers. Here, whoever has got flowers, they are obsessed with the flowers. Bibliomania means he has a craze for the books and the reading. That is the reason who has bibliophile means who is addicted towards having the books and reading. Kakidomomania, that is pathological belief that one is inhabited by an evil spirit, is known as kakodimomania. Next we have catapidemania, means that is obsession with jumping from high spaces. He is obsessed with the jumping from the high spaces. Who has got this type of catapidemania? He don't want to jump from the high spaces. Here we have choreomania, that is excessive desire of dancing. Who has got interest in dancing? That is the reason we have called, that is choreographer, that is related to dance. Next we have clinomania, excessive desire to stay in bed is known as clinomania. They are also known as couch potato. We should remember what exactly the couch potato. You start sitting in front of the TV and he starts spending much time in the bed. Capromania means obsession with the faces. As you can see, there are few taekwondo players who are obsessed with the faces. They start kicking at the faces itself. Dacnomania means obsession with the killings, is known as dacnomania. As usual, demonomania means pathological belief that one is possessed by demons, is known as demonomania. Next we have dinomania, means excessive desire for dancing, is known as denomania. Who has the great interest in dancing. Dipsomania means abnormal craving for alcohol, is known as dipsomania. Who has got interest in alcohol. Doromania means obsession with the giving gifts, is known as doromania. Drapetomania means excessive desire to run away from the home, is known as drapetomania. Please remember, these are all very useful for your examinations. Next we have dromomania, means compulsive longing for travel, is known as dromomania. As well as egomania means irrational or self-centered attitude or self-worship, is known as egomania. Please remember, they are all very important. Egomania means irrational self-centered attitude or self-worship. Anosmania means that is pathological belief that one has sinned, is known as anosmania. Entheomania means abnormal belief that one is divinely inspired, is known as entheomania. Please remember this. Abnormal belief that one is divinely inspired is known as entheomania. Epomania means that is excessive desire for writing epics. Who has more interest in writing the epics? That is epomania. Ergomania means we knew that ergonomics means whatever the work we are doing, that related to that thing is known as ergonomics. Ergomania means excessive desire to work and workaholism. As you can see how exactly the people start doing workouts, though they work for hours and hours, so they are ergomania people. Florimania means excessive desire for or craving for the flowers. Next we have francomania, means excessive desire or obsession with the France and French, or gallomania. They are also known as gallomania, that is francomania. Okay. Next we have, I request you guys to check playlist where you will find about 800 plus question papers for various examinations, for defense forces, for central government jobs, for MNS examinations, for various examination papers have been given. Just have a look. Next we have Graphomania, having the obsession with the writing. He don't want to write. He got fed up with the writing. Hagiomania means excessive desire for sainthood is known as, that is hagiomania. Next we have hieromania means pathological religious visions or delusions is known as hieromania. Hippomania means obsession with the horses. They don't like the horse, they are obsessed with them. Hydromania means irrational craving for water is known as, hydro means water. So here irrational craving for water is known as hydromania. As we have iconomania means obsession with the icons or portraits are known as iconomania. Idolomania means having obsession or devotion to idols. They are known as idolomania. Infomania means having the excessive desire to accumulate the facts is known as infomania. This is one thing important. Kleptomania, excessive desire for stealing small things. As you can see in this picture how it has been given, though he is purchasing various things, he is trying to steal smaller things. He is kleptomania candidate who wants to he is a thief, that is kleptomania nature. Lipomania means extreme pathological mournfulness is known as lipomania. Next we have macromania means delusion that objects are larger than natural size is known as macromania. Next we have megalomania, that is having the excessive desire for grand or grandiose behavior is known as megalomania. So in this what happened is megalomania, having the excessive desire for grand or grandiose behavior is known as megalomania. Here we have melomania means having the excessive desire for music is known as melomania. Methomania means morbid craving for alcohol is known as methomania, which is very important. Please remember, morbid craving for alcohol is known as methomania. Micromania means here pathological self depreciation or belief that one is very small, that is known as micromania. Monomania means having the excessive desire, obsession with a single thought or idea, that is known as monomania, having with the single thought or idea. Next we have musomania means having the obsession with the music is known as musomania. Mythomania means lying or exaggerating to an abnormal extent is known as mythomania. Necromania means having the sexual obsession with the dead bodies or necrophilia is known as necromania. Here we have next nosomania means delusion of suffering from a disease is known as nosomania. Nostomania means excessive desire to go back to familiar places is known as nostomania. Next we have nymphomania, that is excessive desire of sex is known as nymphomania. As you can see to the right exactly how the picture looks like, having the maximum desire towards sexual. Next we have oinomania means having the excessive desire for wine is known as oinomania. Next we have oligomania means having the obsession with the few thoughts or ideas is known as oligomania. In this few thoughts or ideas have been given, that obsession is known as oligomania. Next we have oniomania, that is excessive desire for making purchases is known as oniomania. Onomania is excessive desire for names is known as, that is onomania. Opsomania means abnormal love for one kind of food is known as opsomania. Pathomania means moral insanity, that is pathomania. Phagomania means excessive desire for food or eating is known as phagomania. Or phaneromania is habit of biting one's nails, that is phaneromania. Please remember this, phaneromania, that is habit of biting one's nail is known as phaneromania. Next we have phonomania means pathological tendency to murder. So as you can see to the picture how this phonomania picture looks like, where you have this kind of picture in it, that in this phonomania, the pathological tendency to murder someone. Here we have photomania, that is pathological desire for light is known as photomania. Next we have philomania means excessive desire production of leaves is known as philomania. Please remember that is one thing. Excessive desire production of leaves is known as philomania. Next we have phytomania, that is obsession with the collecting plants is known as phytomania. Phyto means plants, please remember them. Flutomania means, that is excessive desire for money is known as plutomania. That is plutarchy means having, there are various money wealth people concerning. Polmomania means excessive desire for war is known as polmomania. That is affecting several different mental faculties is known as polymania. In this several different mental faculties, that mania is known as polymania. Please remember everything whatever you can remember. You may get any kind of questions in examinations. Poriomania means abnormal compulsion to wander is known as poriomania. Photomania means, that is excessive desire to drink alcohol is known as photomania. Pseudomania means irrational predilection for lying is known as pseudomania. Pyromania means excessive desire for starting fires is known as pyromania. Next we have Sebastomania means religious mania. As you can see how exactly the religious rituals have taken place, that is known as Sebastomania. Here we have cytomania, which is a morbid aversion to food is known as cytomania. Next we have sophomania means delusion that one is incredibly intelligent is known as sophomania. Technomania means having the excessive desire for technology, that is known as technomania. Theomania means irrational predilection for performing surgery is known as theomania. Toxicomania means excessive desire for poisons is known as toxicomania. Next we have theomania means irrational predilection for performing surgery is known as theomania. And toxicomania means excessive desire for poisons is known as toxicomania. You have to catch the keywords, whatever the techno, toxico, these are all few keywords where you have to find out. Uranomania means having the obsession with the idea of divinity is known as uranomania. Verbo means words, so verbomania, that is excessive desire for words is known as verbomania. Xenomania means inordinate attachment to foreign things, that is known as xenomania, who has got the attachment towards foreign objects. Zoomania means insane fondness for animals is known as zoomania. As you can see, whatever the thumbnail has been given, insane fondness for animals is known as zoomania. I request you guys to call me on 766730 or message me by WhatsApp if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS for a free of cost. Feel free to call, though I am the defense person, retired defense person. Your no charges will be applicable on you guys. I request you guys to share it to maximum people. They will get benefit for the various competitive examinations. Have a good day. Have a great life.